Hey everyone, ready to level up your crypto game?
Yeah.
Today we're doing a deep dive on the PvP bot.
Cool.
This thing lets you trade crypto right on Telegram.
Really?
Yeah, on the Hyperliquid exchange.
So it's like having a trading assistant right in your pocket.
That's wild.
I know, right?
I think what's really cool about PvP is that it's making DeFi more accessible.
Yeah.
You know?
To like a whole new audience.
For sure. DeFi can be kind of a lot, complex.
Yeah.
But PvP makes it's like user-friendly, like almost like a game.
Before we get into all the fun features though.
Yeah.
I think it's important to understand what we're working with here.
Yeah, for sure.
We've got PvP's documentation.
Okay.
They're getting started, guide all the commands. They have an FAQ section and a section on points.
It's important to remember that even though PvP makes trading feel like a game, you're still dealing with real money.
Yeah, for sure.
Like real assets.
On a decentralized exchange, so we're not playing around here.
Yeah, definitely not.
Gotta be careful.
So let's start with the getting started guide.
Okay.
PvP makes it sound super easy to start trading.
Okay.
You just open Telegram, start the bot, deposit some USDC.
Okay.
Oh, and you need at least 10 USDC to activate the bridge.
The bridge.
Between your funds and the exchange.
Oh, okay.
And bam, you're ready to go.
So easy.
I know, right?
That ease of use is really appealing.
Yeah.
Especially for people who might,
who are new.
Yeah. Or intimidated by the traditional platforms.
Yeah, for sure.
But here's where it gets interesting.
Okay.
PvP runs on Hyperliquid, which is a decentralized exchange.
Right.
That means there's no central authority controlling your funds.
Oh, wow.
It's all managed by code, smart contracts.
So not exactly like a game.
Right, exactly.
Speaking of games, some of these commands they give off a fun competitive vibe.
Okay.
There's one called Taunt.
Taunt?
You can trash talk other traders in your group chat.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Who doesn't love a little friendly competition?
Haha, yeah, okay, that taunt feature is pretty funny.
I know, right?
It definitely
it makes it more social.
Yeah, it speaks to the community aspect that PvP is building.
Yeah.
But it also makes you wonder about the social dynamics of trading.
Yeah.
Could this kind of banter influence people?
Oh, for sure.
Especially newbies.
Oh, yeah. If you're new to trading and you see everyone taunting each other.
Exactly.
You might FOMO into a trade.
Totally.
Yeah, that's a really good point.
It's all fun and games until,
someone loses money.
Exactly.
Okay. Moving on. Track command.
Okay.
With this one, you can see what other people in your group are trading.
Oh, wow. So it's
total transparency.
Yeah, that's pretty transparent.
I know, right?
But I guess that can be a good and a bad thing.
Yeah, how so?
Well, on one hand, it's good for accountability.
Okay.
You can learn from more experienced traders.
Right.
But you could also use it for, whale watching.
What's that?
When people try to copy the trades of big players.
Oh, okay.
Which could manipulate the market.
Oh, wow. Okay, so maybe not so transparent after all.
Right.
But couldn't you also use it to your advantage?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
If you see some weird activity, maybe it's a sign to, get out.
Exactly.
Before things go bad.
Yeah, that's the kind of thinking.
Strategic thinking.
You need to have in DeFi.
Right.
You got to be aware of the manipulation and use the info to make good decisions.
So track, use with caution.
For sure.
All right, now for the points command.
Okay.
This one's it speaks to my inner gamer.
Oh, really? What is it?
You earn points for basically everything.
Okay.
Trading, inviting friends.
Oh, cool.
Being in a successful clan.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It seems like PvP is really into gamification.
Yeah, totally.
But it's not just for fun.
Yeah, I mean, these points, they're limited.
Oh, okay.
There's only 1 million total.
And how many are out there already?
Well, as of January 18th, 2025, 707,696.
Wow. So what happens when they run out?
That's a good question.
Do they become valuable?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering too. What's the long-term plan for these points?
Yeah, good question.
The documentation doesn't really say.
Interesting.
Makes you wonder, are they building a system with real value?
Yeah.
Or is it just to keep people engaged?
I guess time will tell.
I guess so.
It's one of those things where you, as the listener, have to do your own research, decide what you believe.
Right.
Is this the future of decentralized communities?
Yeah.
Or just a clever marketing thing?
So we've got ease of use, competition, potentially valuable points.
Yep.
What else do we need to know about PvP?
Let's find out. All right, welcome back to our deep dive on PvP.
Back at it.
Before we get into more commands,
yeah,
we should talk about security.
Oh, right. Yeah, good guy.
Anytime crypto is involved,
yeah,
especially on a decentralized platform, security is like the most important thing.
Yeah, for sure.
So I was looking through their documentation.
Oh, okay.
And they mention that PvP uses this thing called AWS Key Management Service.
Okay.
To store and like encrypt private keys for their managed wallets.
Right, but
they also mentioned a planned like migration to another service. It's called Turnkey in 2025, which is backed by the team behind Coinbase Custody.
Coinbase?
Yeah, but honestly, all those like technical terms kind of went over my head.
Yeah, me too.
It's understandable to feel a bit lost with all that jargon. Basically, when you use a PvP managed wallet, you're trusting them to keep your private keys safe. Think of a private key, like the ultimate password to your crypto.
Right, Fort Knox.
Exactly. If someone gets that key, they control your funds.
Not bad.
So trusting PvP is kind of like trusting Amazon and Coinbase with your keys.
Oh, okay.
Big companies.
Yeah, so
that has to count for something, right?
Yeah, you would think so.
It does add some reassurance.
Okay.
But it's important too, like think about your own risk tolerance.
Okay, yeah.
Some people prefer to have complete control over their keys.
Yeah, I get that.
And that's where connecting your own hyperliquid account via API key comes in.
Right. They did mention that option in the documentation. But what's the real advantage?
Like, what's the benefit?
Is it just peace of mind?
It's about control. And flexibility. With an API key?
Yeah.
You're giving PvP permission to trade for you. But you keep the keys.
Oh, okay.
So you could use PvP alongside other tools. Or manage your assets on multiple platforms.
Oh, okay. So it's like...
to giving them limited access.
Not the master key.
Got it.
Got it.
So for someone just starting out, the managed wallet is probably easier.
Less to worry about.
Yeah, it's a good way to start.
Yeah.
Without worrying about all the technical stuff.
Right, right.
But as you get more experienced, you might want to explore the API key option.
To have more control.
Right.
Okay, that makes sense.
Now back to those commands.
All right, let's get back into it.
There's one called pair trading.
Oh, yeah. This one sounded interesting.
It's kind of like hedging your bets.
Hedging your bets.
Yeah, pair trading is opening a long position on one token. And a short position on another.
Wait, hold on.
What's up?
Long position, I get.
You think the price will go up?
Right, and short is the opposite.
You're betting it'll go down.
But how can you do both at the same time?
That's the thing. You're not betting on the direction of the market. But on the price difference between two assets. So let's say you think token A is overvalued compared to token B. You'd go long on token B, hoping it goes up, and short on token A, hoping it goes down. If the price difference widens, you profit.
So it's like
you're playing both sides, hoping to win no matter what.
Pretty cool, but also sounds risky.
Yeah, it is risky.
What if the tokens move in weird ways?
You're right. Pair trading is not without its risks.
Yeah.
It needs careful analysis. And understanding the correlation.
Between the two assets.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
But when done right, it can mitigate risk. And you can profit.
Even in a volatile market.
Especially in a volatile market.
Okay, so pair trading.
Yeah.
High risk, high reward.
Pretty much.
I'm sensing a theme here. Speaking of risk and reward, limit orders.
Yes.
This one's for me.
Oh, how so?
I'm a control freak.
I see.
When it comes to trading.
Limit orders are great. For traders who want to set specific prices. For their entries and exits.
So instead of just buying or selling at the market price,
you can place a limit order to buy lower or sell higher.
So you
make sure you get the price you want.
Control it.
Exactly.
That sounds way less stressful.
It can be.
Than just market buying or selling.
Yeah, you're not just hoping for the best.
But couldn't you miss out on gains?
What do you mean?
Like, if the price moves quickly.
Yeah, that is the trade-off. With limit orders. It's a more patient approach.
So you need to be
disciplined.
Yeah.
Willing to miss out. On some price swings.
Makes sense.
But for many, that control is worth it.
So it's like setting a trap and waiting for the market to come to you.
I like that analogy.
Speaking of traps.
Yeah.
Stop loss orders.
Okay.
Take profit orders and stop limit orders.
Those are essential.
For risk management.
Absolutely, your safety nets.
In the crazy world of crypto.
Exactly.
So a stop loss order automatically sells if the price drops
below a certain level,
limiting my losses.
Exactly.
And a take profit order.
Opposite.
It locks in profit.
At your target price.
Okay, cool.
And a stop limit order.
This one's like the best of both worlds.
It combines the two.
Okay.
Stop price and limit price.
So even more control.
Exactly.
Okay, it's like setting boundaries for my trades.
Both for gains and losses.
Makes a lot of sense.
Good.
Even though PvP is like fun and game-like, it doesn't mess around.
When it comes to trading.
Yeah, no kidding.
They made it easy to use and engaging, but they also give you the tools to trade responsibly.
Right, to stay safe.
Exactly.
Okay, let's talk about the social aspect.
Right.
We already talked about taunt, but there's also invite.
For bringing your friends in.
Is that just about growing the community?
Well, referral programs are common in crypto. Okay. They get people to bring in new users, which helps the platform grow.
Right.
But with PvP, it's also about the clans.
Oh, yeah, the clans.
And that competitive dynamic.
Right, so it's like your own little trading squad.
Exactly.
But why would I want to be in a clan?
There are some benefits.
Like what?
You get community support.
Okay.
You earn points.
More points.
Clans can share strategies.
Oh, okay.
You know, help each other out.
Right.
Especially in tough markets.
Yeah, when things are going crazy.
Exactly.
And those points could be valuable.
Yeah, potentially.
So a strong clan working together could be a good thing.
Definitely.
It's like strength in numbers.
For crypto trades.
Yes, actually.
But what about people who like to trade alone?
The lone wolves.
Yeah, are there ways for them to
be part of the community?
For sure.
Okay.
Even if they're not in a clan.
Okay, good.
PvP has a bunch of commands.
Okay.
For staying connected and informed.
Like what?
Price for quick price checks.
Okay.
Hype to track their token.
Okay.
And alert to set price notifications.
So it's like
a little trading terminal.
Right in my Telegram.
Exactly. Okay, that's pretty cool.
So they've got the social side covered.
Whether you're in a clan or not.
Yep.
Let's talk about managing funds.
Okay.
I saw Wallet. Send and withdraw.
Okay.
What's the difference?
Wallet shows your balances.
Okay.
And your addresses.
Okay.
Lets you send USDC to other people in your group.
Oh, cool.
Like for tipping.
Oh, that's nice.
Or settling debts.
Yeah. Within your group.
Exactly. That's how you get your funds out.
Out of PvP.
Yeah. Into another wallet on Hyperliquid L1.
Yep.
But then you have to go to Hyperliquid to withdraw.
It's because PvP is built on Hyperliquid.
Okay.
Think of it like layers.
Okay.
PvP is the user-friendly layer.
Okay.
But behind the scenes, it's all on Hyperliquid.
Okay.
So when you withdraw,
you're
moving from PvP to Hyperliquid.
And then I can take it out from there.
Exactly.
Okay, not a direct transfer, but not too complicated.
Not really.
Just a couple extra steps.
That's it.
What if I don't want to leave my funds?
In the Manage Wallet,
yeah,
you can export your private key.
Okay.
Using the settings menu.
Okay.
And import it into another wallet.
Okay.
Then you have full control.
But then I'm responsible for my keys. Back to security.
Always important.
Okay, so there are options.
For everyone.
I like that.
What else?
There was also transfer.
Oh, yeah. For moving USDC.
Okay.
Between your spot and futures accounts.
Oh, within PvP.
Yes.
Okay, so I
manage your capital and allocate funds
to different strategies.
Yeah, exactly.
And for people with lots of accounts.
There's accounts.
To add new accounts.
Okay.
Instead of primary one.
For all my group chats.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It can be helpful.
Yeah. I have way too many accounts.
I feel that.
Anything else for managing my PvP experience?
A few more. Like orders, managing your open orders, stats for tracking your performance, and settings, tweaking settings, and contacting support.
All right. So it seems like they've got everything covered.
Pretty much.
Trading, risk management, community, account management.
Yeah.
They have a command for everything.
Almost impressed.
They've done a good job.
But before we wrap up, one last question.
Shoot.
The clan leaderboards command.
Okay.
It only shows rankings for this week.
Yeah. I noticed that.
Why not all-time leaders?
Or even monthly.
Yeah, why not?
It could be that PvP is focusing on short-term competition to keep things exciting.
Oh, okay.
And encourage people to participate.
Makes sense.
But it makes you wonder about the value of those points.
Right, yeah.
If it's all short term.
Does that make them less valuable?
In the long run.
Yeah. You have to think about.
definitely.
So we've covered a lot in part 2.
Yeah.
Security, pair trading, clans, and the whole value question.
A lot to unpack.
Yeah.
We've really gone deep
into the PvP bot.
We have.
All right, welcome back to the final part of our PvP deep dive.
Yeah, it's been a journey.
It has. We've seen how easy PvP makes it to get into trading.
Yeah, that's definitely a big plus.
But also how important it is to really understand what's going on.
Behind the scenes, for sure.
So is PvP just a passing fad?
That's the question, isn't it?
Or are they onto something bigger with this whole community-driven approach?
The gamification thing is interesting.
Yeah, the clans, the points.
Well, we still don't know what those points are really worth.
Right, long-term.
Exactly.
What happens if PvP just shuts down one day?
Or if the hype dies down?
Yeah. And those points just vanish.
Good question.
Yeah.
And the documentation doesn't really say.
Which makes me a little nervous.
Yeah, I get that.
It makes me think maybe they're hoping the community will figure out what to do with them.
Oh, interesting.
Some online games have their own, in-game economies.
Right, where items have value.
Yeah, maybe the points could be like that.
Could be, but there's no guarantee.
Right, it's a gamble.
Basically.
You're trusting that PvP will make those points valuable, or that the community will find a way.
That's a lot of trust.
So what's the final verdict?
Is PvP worth it?
Yeah. Should we all jump in?
Well, they've definitely created something unique.
Yeah, it's easy to use.
And engaging.
And they have those powerful trading tools.
Yeah, they don't skimp on the functionality.
Yeah.
There's always a but.
There's always a but.
It's a new platform. And DeFi is still evolving.
So things could change.
Quickly.
And what about those points?
We still don't know for sure.
So proceed with caution.
I think that's wise.
But don't be afraid to explore either.
DeFi is full of opportunities.
And PvP might be a good way to get started.
If you do your research.
Manage your risk.
And keep learning.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Well, that's it for our PvP deep dive.
Thanks for joining us.
We hope you learned something.
And that you're feeling ready to explore the world of DeFi.
Happy trading, everyone.
See you next time.